Hey guys, it's me again. I'm making an unboxing of Bray Wyatt, and I got this morning. And here's the stuff on the back. I ripped that off by accident. Bray Wyatt's signature and his face. It's weird. Let's open it up. Give me a second. Sorry. Okay. Here he is. It's all tape. Here he is. Bray Wyatt. His face is just weird as heck. Looks like he's about to give you the Sister Abigail kiss your head. It's I don't know what that word is. It's something of suffering, and then there's a bird, and then nothing else except his white pants and his boots, tattoos on both arm and his back, I think. Yeah. And yeah, you could do the Sister Abigail. I mean, not the Sister Abigail. The spider walk. Yeah, if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you guys some more videos. Okay, out.